Hello guys, this is Pratik reporting from Nama Bengaluru, Banjara 6 State. Today my topic is about how to control your bike when there is an engine seizure. Engine seizure means when the engine oil gets finished when at high speed, when on the nice road, you're going high speed like 100 to 120 kilometers you're going, or more than that, like in this Pulsar or any sports bike or any super bike or any commuter bike. You can say Discover, Platina going at 120 km. Right? So you're holding the bike like this, or you're sitting on your bike, you put all the gears on your bike, you're sitting like this on the gear, you're on the 50 gear of the vehicle, you're entering the engine at high speeds like this. It is showing 120 km the vehicle is showing, and you're not changing the engine oil of the vehicle. It is called the engine oil. Not be the engine oil has been finished. If there is no engine oil, it means it's low. You're driving in a low engine oil level. You're riding a nice road or an empty highway like Benur to Mysore Road or Benur to Mangalore Road. You're driving at high speeds, privileged speeds. You're driving a vehicle, and the engine oil is finished, and the vehicle will give it jerk like subject. Like this, the vehicle will give. An engine has not a gift like this, side jerk that is, and over high speed, and the first never of the bike engine where there's an engine breakdown. Hold the clutch of the vehicle, reduce your privilege speed to 70 to 80 speed, gradually bring it to left side, put in indicator, left side indicator. Put it dilated from privilege to 80, 70 and 60 and 50. Bring the vehicle to the low digit vehicle and bring your vehicle at the left side. Put it the vehicle to the cornering left side and leave the clutch slowly. Never off the engine. When you off the engine oil, there's an engine breakdown, there's an engine seizure. You may get lost in of the vehicle and you may fall on the vehicle if you don't have any safety gear. Bring the vehicle slowly, turn the vehicle and bring to the left side of the road and stop the vehicle. And when there's an engine breakdown, never kick start the engine. If you kick start the engine, inside the vehicle as a piston and the board will got cracked. Again, when you try to kick start the vehicle, self start the vehicle, it may get the severity the vehicle will get the board and the piston may get over. Never kick start another engine breakdown. Call the towing van, tow your vehicle to the nearest showroom or the nearest mechanic and rectify the board and this how to control and maintain or how to control a vehicle as an engine breakdown in previous speed. This is Pratik signing off from Nama Bengaluru, Banjara 6 Stage. Bye bye.